Hello everyone, this is Jim Okerzinski with your Week 9 Screencast video. So beginning in the announcements page, I just want to scroll here for a second just to emphasize on the instructions assignment number 3. Many students are pulling together the drafts with some clear and images and instructions and commands, and it's a good thing. However, many students are, as I say here in the announcement, are missing integrating the visual within the text of the document and using actual text to demonstrate the outcome. So, what you want to be able to do is not only explain the text wrapping procedures and allowing for all the different types is great. However, until a user can see what a text, I should say, a visual within a text, a body of text looks like, um, the process is just incomplete. So please remember that for the final submissions that are due tonight, Sunday, the 8th, for the assignment instructions. So we're going to be moving on to the jobs package, our next unit. Quickly moving to the course units, chapter 15 is the jobs package, and the overview and key concepts are there with some of the readings. I believe this week we have only the chapter quiz that is due, saving drafting for next week. So, one thing I want to emphasize is the resources here in Blackboard for you on this assignment. You will see job search and resume resources, examples of the different job packages from previous students. Once again, I just want to point out these are just examples. Each one differs in its purpose and audience and formatting. Some of them might not be like 100% correct, so you want to be wary in looking at the order of items to be listed on your resume. But as the job package assignment indicates, there are three components. You are writing a cover letter, which is essentially a sales letter, your resume, okay? Your resume based on your qualifications. Now, some of you might have more qualifications than others. Sometimes you might have to, in some instances, you might have to project exactly where you're going to be when you finish your college education. They have the textbook is quite clear in some of the examples that they provide in the textbook. You're focusing on the entry level resume for a recent college graduate. That's figure 1511 on page 540 in the textbook. And then lastly, a follow up correspondence where you would thank for the interview. And there's an example of that also in the textbook. And the three examples that I provided from previous students covers all three documents. So once again, all three documents into one specific Word document or PDF would be great. And at the bottom of the unit here is your assignment for jobs package upload link for the assignment. Okay. So this week it's study and reading and working through the chapter quiz, and you should be assembling all your information and start putting together components that you need for your successful job package. If you have any questions or issues, follow ups, please, you can contact me via email. Good luck.